Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and you guys already know by the thumbnail and the title of the video what time it is. Yeah boy, I'm about to install this diffuser. I'm going to show you how it looks before installing. I'm going to try to use some tape to hold it on in place and see how it looks first, and then maybe take some pictures and whatnot, and then later on today or tomorrow I'm gonna have this thing installed, because I don't know yet if I should install now or later, because I'm thinking of repairing my bumper first, or like I think I should do it first, because this might be in the way when I'm taking off the bumper, so I have no clue. So we're about to test it out and see my theory. So if that's not the case, if this doesn't do anything, like if it's not in the way of anything or taking the bumper off and stuff like that, then I'll just install it today and be done with it. Well, actually, it's probably gonna be better if I do it tomorrow either way, because I ordered some extra tape. It has like some tape on top of it just to make it hold better. So I ordered some extra double-sided tape just to make it nice and stick better, because this thing is not gonna look as good if it's peeling off on one side. So let's go and try on this fitment. Look at this man, look at this man. Installing my ramps, hell yeah. You already know what time it is. Look at this man.
Drop the windows, bitch.
What's good?
You got it?
Yeah, what are we doing today?
Alright, nice and slow.
What are we doing today though?
Diffuser, full carbon fiber. You already know?
Yeah, boy. That's it right there. I'm about to install a diffuser. Let's get it. Hey, we put the car on the ramps. Feel me? You already know. We can easily go under it now. Yeah, about to install that diffuser. You sure it's gonna fall? Trying to wipe it off and he's in my way. God damn it.
Igor, can I get the drill, the electric drill? Do we have a battery for it?
Why don't you use the one I did?
It's upstairs.
Can I get it?
Just get this. Just use
This isn't, it's not, it's gonna take
use
way
the
too
ratchet.
long. Okay, give me the ratchet.
Use mine.
Let me get 10 millimeter. What?
I just gave you.
What did you give me? You have this? On the drill?
Get the pole.
The ratchet's just like this. I don't want to keep going around in circles. Long ass bolt. I got burnt today. Crispy, nigga.
Yo, where did we
You can put aloe vera when you touch that.
Damn, bro!
Wait, 10 mil?
Even looking inside, they were like looking at.
What are those?
Those or NMDs? It's fire.
I need these nuts.
NMDs.
Why do you have a toilet in the garage?
That's the other guys.
That's an extra toilet. If the other one is taken, he just comes to the garage.
Yeah.
It's the landowner. I don't know. He's storing a toilet in here.
These bolts? Can I take them out?
You should, right?
Let me see.
The bolts should be enough, to be honest.
No.
It doesn't?
No.
How?
You need the bolts.
No way.
You need screws. Igor, do you have any like drywall screws?
Nah.
Igor, can I get the keys to your car?
It's open.
I need the keys to go drive to Vlad's house. I'm low on gas.
I'm low on gas too.
If I get there and back on.
Yo, are you low on gas?
Yeah, I'm low on battery. Yo, just walk.
We back.
Back again.
Alright. Okay, where's the drill?
Yo, where's the chop? Pew pew pew.
You already know, bitch. Better watch out.
Where's the tip?
What's it?
The Phillips head. Oh, yeah? Yeah. No, not I need like a Phillips head. Put these in it.
Oh, he had them in the toolbox.
Hanging.
I think you put the tape thing first.
No, I'm not doing tape.
No. push it. Actually, watch the left side and right side. Make sure it's like it's up correctly. No, it's not going to reach all the way. But yeah, I think it's supposed to be like that.
Oh, it's like this.
Yeah.
Put it on the corner.
You guys should mark
exactly
this
how
all.
it's supposed to be. That's
You guys
exactly.
should mark it all. No, we're gonna drill it now. Why would I mark it? Why would I mark it? You gonna drill it right now?
No, wait, he didn't push it in. Look how far
Push it
inside
in.
it is.
It doesn't go in from
No,
here.
no, no, look. Come hold it.
Oh, how high it is? Yeah, you gotta look. As you gotta do
all
like that.
high.
Yeah. Make sure you put your finger here like that. Your thumb.
Because there's an arc. Just put the arc with the
So is it
palm
good
first.
now?
No, bring that one down.
How? It's supposed to be
There,
flush
that's it.
now.
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Perfect. That's it. Perfect. Don't move it, okay? Don't move it.
He's gonna scratch up the whole bottom of your car before he puts the screw in it. It's fucking dead.
It's the bottom of the car.
Well, you just fucking
Just screw it into a fucking battery.
Oh, my head.
Shit,
Is it in?
Yeah, one side is in, but don't still hold it. I don't want the other side to be on.
Make sure it's even before you drill.
Wait.
But you guys should have fucking cleaned it first before putting the tape on.
You did clean it.
No, I didn't think the other shit, the diffuser, not the bumper. I didn't think it was gonna go on the bumper. I guess this is the way now.
Drop it. Now you just take the tape off and put it up.
At least wipe
Clean
it.
the bumper.
Yes, wipe it.
How to?
Ta-da! Oh, hold up. Ta-da! Let's go. Gotta wait for it to dry enough because we did that.
I'm gonna hide those imperfections too.
Is it? Are you ready? For the peel?
Yeah. I don't know if the red one's gonna peel though.
I don't think we need the red, to be honest. The real one looks fucking strong as shit. But do you have like
What?
flat to scrape the first? Or I never my pocket one first one.
There's nothing to do. It's jobless. Because I even took the offer from him for his job. I have no job, but I took it.
What you doing right now, bro? What you doing?
It's done, I think.
That's
That's it.
damn. That's
That's it.
that's it.
That's it.
kinda
That was pretty
easy.
easy,
Now you
actually.
just gotta
I
wrap
think
it
it's easier
now.
than.
Now you just gotta wrap it.
Yeah, now you just have to wrap the diffuser.
Why the fuck would I wrap it? Damn, yo, fucked up. Let's see.
Look what he did with the garbage.
Oh my god. Look at this shit. Shit looking fire. See this? From the top, this is how it looks. Fuego. So guys, the diffuser is installed and it's looking fire from the back. Now I just have to finish tinting my taillights, and yeah, the back is gonna be completely done. Then I gotta move on to the front and to the sides. Have some new wheels coming up, so that's gonna be amazing. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.